Patricia is now about to put her kayak up on the kayak dolly so that she can put it on the roof of her car. It's a custom designed dolly by Reginald the designer. Now here she goes up onto the custom roof rack designed by Reginald the designer, being demonstrated by Patricia the kayaker. Just rolls right up there, rolls right on, and then she spins it around and lines it up, and away she goes. So now we'll just have a close-up look at the dolly. Made of PVC tubing, lawnmower axles, and pool noodles. Here's the happy kayaker, and there's her kayak on the custom designed kayak rack. Another look at the happy kayaker, who will now put the straps on the... Oh, she's going to demonstrate how to remove it. Excellent. Excellent. Spins it around. Pulls it down off the roller. Down she comes. Takes a little practice to get the dolly in just the right position. But after a few practices, it gets to be routine. And there it is. So adjust that dolly to exactly where you want it to balance. Pick it up by the front, and away she goes to the river, Gananoque River. Hey!